Hi, my name is Nur Satina Alwanis Petrosli, and today I want to present about smart rotating temperature control pan. And what key need will we need? The key need this product will meet is the need for safer, more efficient and consistent cooking through automatic temperature control and even heat distribution. Many people struggle with managing cooking temperatures manually, which leads to food being overcooked, undercooked or burnt. Additionally, traditional pans often have uneven heat distribution, causing hotspots. The smart rotating temperature control pan addresses this by integrating a smart temperature sensor, an automatic rotation mechanism, and heat regulation technology. This ensures even heat, spread, and constant movement of the food, preventing it from sticking or burning, while maintaining the optimal cooking temperature for different types of food. It improves cooking precision, energy efficiency, and user convenience, especially for busy home cooks and professionals. Whose key needs specifically? Give example of companies or individuals. These key needs affects several target users and business. First is home cooks and families. Many home users face difficulties in managing temperature while multitasking in the kitchen. A smart rotating pan can help them cook safely and efficiently without constant monitoring. Second is professional chefs and restaurants. Professional kitchens demand high precision and consistency. Chefs can use this pan to improve the quality of dishes, reduce the risk of food waste, and maintain food safety standards. Third is elderly or busy individuals. Older adults or people with busy lifestyles often forget to monitor their pans, leading to overcooked or burnt food. This product can improve safety and ease of cooking for them. Fourth is kitchen appliance and cookware companies. Companies like Tefal, Philips, Greenpan, Happycall, and IKEA could develop or partner to produce such smart kitchen products. As smart home devices grow in popularity, these brands can leverage this innovation to meet consumer demand for smart cookware. And the last one is smart home device manufacturers. Brands like Xiaomi or Samsung SmartThings could integrate this product into their ecosystem of smart kitchen appliances, offering users remote control and monitoring of their cooking equipment via mobile apps.
Hi, my name is Arini. Now we're going to talk about how often do people face this problem and when. So this is a daily problem for many people that loves cooking. So like this happen when they are frying, sauteing or reheating the meals. It's especially common when cooking on gas or electric stoves that produce uneven heat. It's also happen when we are preparing delicate meals like pancakes, omelets or sauces that are burnt easily. Sometimes when we are multitasking like washing our dishes, putting our plates in places and leaving the food unattended, it can make uneven results. With using this pan, it can control the heat itself. So next, we are going to talk about how big is the problems that we are going to face, especially for users and customers in terms of unwanted costs. First of all, it's going to lead to wasted ingredients because the food that is burnt, obviously we're going to throw it out. Next, it's going to use more electricity or gas that use when we have to recook the food, and it's going to waste a lot of time. Moreover, in restaurants, it is going to be even worse because it affects the food quality and customer satisfaction. So, when we are using smart rotating temperature control pan, it can make people work easy and faster.
What will happen if the need is not met? First of all, continued food wastage and energy inefficiency. This is said because food wastage happens when the pan produces uncooked food or meals that are no longer edible. This will cause the users to dispose them. Other than that, energy inefficiency happens when electricity wastage due to the improper use of the pan. Other than that, it will cause user dissatisfaction, especially among new or less experienced cooks, because they will gain bad experience when using this specific cooking pan and will make them leave a bad impression towards it. Continuing, potential health risk from undercooked food. This is due to the uneven heat distribution of the pan. For example, users can get salmonella from the undercooked chicken meat or egg. And last of all, in a commercial setting, this could cause revenue loss and reputational damage due to the poor food quality and delayed service. This is said because users will leave a bad impression towards the producer of the pen and also cause many problems due to one product. Moving on to the approaches of our study case. What is our unique approach to meeting the needs that were stated recently? As you can see on my left side, there is an image of the pen. So first off, we can see the automatic rotating base. When we have this, it will mimic stirring and distribute the heat evenly on the surface of the pan so the food does not go undercooked. You can see the microcontroller system at the bottom, at the base of the pan. This is used to adjust the rotation speed and also adjust the heat level so it does not go overcooked and undercooked. And lastly, at the base too, there is a temperature sensor. It is used to continuously monitor the heat input so that we can make sure the food cooks evenly and produces a good meal.
First, our social media strategy. From local to global, we are gonna hit Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and where people spend hours scrolling instead of sleeping. Well, we will drop juicy cooking videos, run sizzling promos, and share honest reviews that make people think, okay, I need this in my kitchen now. Plus, by working with influencers, we got a stamp of trust because if your favorite foodie influencers say it's good, you are definitely tempted to try, right? All of this make people way more excited to buy. And now, the real stuff, our product, more than just a pan. Portable. Want to show off your shelf cooking skill at picnic? Easy, just pick it up and go. Low energy, with the electricity, batteries, even solars, good for your wallet and deployment. Safe, okay? Smart setting, it has an auto off, control heat, and sleek and non-stick surface, so no more tragic scrambled egg, use the pan. And now, technical issue to solve. First up, short-lived non-stick surface. We all love when the food slides right out of the pan until it doesn't. Over time, that non-stick layer can wear out, especially if pan isn't treated gently. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna make the coating stronger and more durable. And next, inconsistent heating. Even cook sometimes that was burnt on one side and raw on the others. That usually happen because the pan doesn't spread heat evenly. So what we're gonna fix is we're gonna use a better materials or redesign the structure so heat flows smoothly across the surface. Result, perfectly cooked food every time. And third, weak handle constructions. Imagine lifting a hot, heavy pan and the handle feels wobbly. Handles made from a cheap material can wear out or even break after too much heat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch to a strong heat-resistant materials so the handle stays steady and safe meal after meals. And lastly is the cleaning difficulty. Let's be honest, no one loves grabbing pans with the burns on bits stuck in weird corners. Answer? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna design the pan to be easy to clean, or better yet, make it dishwasher safe.